Check it out, guys. Here's another one of those retest trades video I made yesterday morning. And sometimes you just turn on the market, and if you understand what's going on, this was a breakout because of some news, and this is a retest of the level where it broke out from. So my indicator that I developed tells me to go long at 74.48 in the futures, and where to put my stop loss and my first profit target. Sometimes you can get in with a little better, here I'll expand this chart, a little better price than the entry. Just depends when you come to the trade and if you recognize what is going on in that trade. 52 quarter is the profit target. Once again, it's the pre-market, so you don't get big moves in the pre-market, but at the same time you can make some money if you figure out which trades to take. You know, this one makes sense because obviously since last night, this is all the overnight action of the U.S. market. You know, the trend is mostly up. It's back and forth, but mostly it's just going up. It hasn't really turned around. So makes sense that this is going to get to the target. And if I look at what's going on in the NASDAQ's kind of doing the same thing at the same time. So that's why this trade became profitable so quickly. So once again, I'm just day trading the futures. This is the pre-market, and you know, I'm risking a very small percentage of my entire account. So, but at the same time, if you have a big enough account, like just taking small little risks, you can easily make several $1,000s a month, like 3 to 4% or more, whatever you want to target for yourself. But I never want to take like bet the farm on any one trade, because any trade can be a loser. And that's where people get caught up day trading, is they take too much risk without really having an edge that they've developed first, where the probability of having a winner is greater than the probability of it being a loser, the same trade being a loser. And since I got a favorable entry, you know, I'm going to make a little more on the risk to reward, or if I want, I can just take it off at the previous high, but it's working in my favor. So you just got to wait for these trades to play out. You know, one of my character traits as a trader is I'm impatient. A lot of traders become impatient sometimes, so it's something you got to develop. But we do this for ourselves and our clients, so we're always making sure that we're taking small risks to make some money for ourselves. And there we go. I think my target just got hit there. Just X out of that. And that's a quick little trade, just because I understood what was going on. And, you know, I can teach you guys this strategy if you want to trade your own money. But as I said, a lot of people just want us to do it for them, because we have a lot of confidence over studying these charts for years. So send me a text if you want to do managed futures with me and you want us to trade your money, or you want to learn this on your own. Again, you know, you can apply the same strategy and pattern strategy to swing trading, and I've got quite a few trades I've done on my channel here, swing trading stocks as well. and just watching new trades that are setting up. Here's a nice one in Loblaws that just kind of moved again. So this is a nice trend up in this stock. And, even when the market is going down, you can still use scanners and find stocks that are going up and just, play those trades. I had a nice trade in this stock earlier last month, and I'm just waiting for it to come down to this breakout point over here. If it does, and I'm going to go long again.